Have you ever wondered what your voice would sound like if you were a cartoon character, a robot, or an older version of yourself? It's no secret that technology has over our lives. We're constantly using gadgets and devices to make our lives easier and more efficient. But what about the time when we just want to have some fun? That's where free voice changer application comes in. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm gonna show you top 3 voice changer application for your iPad. Let's start. Like all the videos, I put the download link for you in the description. The first application in this list is Celebrity Voice Changer. Celebrity Voice Changer lets you change your voice to any celebrity voice instantly just by taking it into a mic. For the first time, you can say anything you want in English and have it spoken back to you by a huge group of them. To use the application, make sure you have an internet connection. Then tap and speak into a microphone. It will automatically detect silence. It should only take a few seconds at most to generate a video of your changed voice back to you. You can then share the video with your friends. Let's listen to some of these effects.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
The second application is Voice Changer Plus. I really love this application because it has over 55 voice effects and sound backgrounds. It's not just for talking. Try singing with bad melody or bad harmony. Even play your voice backwards. Let's listen to some of these effects. This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3. Here's boost and now set this is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. And the last application is Voice Changer Audio Effects. Record your voice and apply cool realistic effects via this amazing application. The program is easy to use and can produce great sound effects and great fun. And also, voice is recorded in very high quality. You can also share recordings with your friends. Let's listen to some of these effects.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
This is test 1, 2, 3. In this video, we try to show you the best voice changer applications, so you don't need to look for them anywhere else. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so I can find a host of features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.